If you want to reverse a video in CapCut, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest way to do it on the desktop app. Reversing a clip can be a really useful effect for intros, transitions, funny edits, creative storytelling, or just making a moment look more polished and dynamic. The best part is that CapCut makes the process simple, even if you are a complete beginner. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and takes just a second. Alright, let's get started. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once CapCut launches, start by creating a new project. This gives you a clean editing workspace where you can bring in your media and begin editing right away. If you already have a project open, you can use that too, but starting fresh is usually the easiest way to follow along. Now drag and drop your video file into the timeline workspace. You can also import it into your media library first and then place it on the timeline, but drag and drop is usually the quickest method. Once the clip is in the timeline, make sure it is positioned where you want it to start. This is important because the reverse effect will apply to the selected clip exactly as it appears in the timeline. Next, click on the video clip you want to reverse. You need to select the clip so CapCut knows which piece of media you want to edit. If you have multiple clips on the timeline, make sure you choose the correct one before moving on. This step matters because the reverse effect will only apply to the selected clip, not your whole project, unless that is the clip you clicked. After selecting the clip, look at the toolbar above the timeline. Here, you should see the reverse option represented by an icon that looks like two rectangles side by side with arrows circling around them. That is the button you want. Depending on your version of CapCut, the placement may vary slightly, but it should still be in the toolbar area above the timeline, making it easy to find once your clip is selected. Click the reverse button. CapCut will now begin processing the video so it can play backward. The processing time may take a few moments depending on the length and size of your clip, so just wait for it to finish. If your video is longer or higher quality, it may take a little more time, but that is completely normal. Once the processing is complete, your video will now play in reverse. You can scrub through the timeline and preview it to make sure the effect worked correctly. If you want, you can now continue editing by adding music, text, transitions, filters, or speed changes to make the reverse clip fit your final video style. And that is how you reverse a video in CapCut on desktop. It is a quick but powerful effect that can completely change the feel of your edit. Whether you are making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform, knowing how to reverse a clip gives you a lot more creative control. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and simple step-by-step editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.